I'm Teacher Angel, and today I will help you to solve for your problems in statistics and probability using Microsoft Excel and SPSS. Siguro yung first lesson natin for um, today is how to get the measures of central tendency and the measures of variability using Excel and SPSS. So first, let's do it. I'm going to share my Excel window. Okay, with this one, number one, dapat yung inyong data analysis pack ay naka-activate. How do you do it? Just click File, and then Options, and then from here, it's an add-in, so just click Add-in, and then here, Analysis Tool Pack. Ayan, so i-click mo lang yan, and then okay. And then with that, lalabas tong part na to ng Microsoft Excel, yung magiging available yung data analysis pack. Now, to solve for mean median mode or measures of central tendency and measures of variability na range, standard deviation, and variance. Ito kasi yung mga unang pinapasolve sa atin sa stat class natin, di ba? And most of us, calcu, ganyan, but there's an easier way, and this is how I can help you. So suppose you're asked to find the mean, median mode, standard deviation, variance, and range of the following. Let's say they are ages of some employees in a uh, particular company. Perhaps maybe there are 10. Let's make it 10. 26, 27, another one, there. Okay, so and then you want to solve for the mean, median, range, and standard deviation. You will just click data analysis, and then there's a new window which will pop up. Just choose descriptive statistics and click OK. And then in the input range, click number 1 up to number 10, the range. And then summary statistics, and then click OK. And then a new sheet will come in. Then there's your mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, and range. Ito yung mga unang-unang pinapasolve sa atin ni teacher. Tama ba? Yung mga may stat class na senior high school dyan. And kung naman ang another way to do it is using SPSS. If you have this SPSS, if you have this SPSS program in your laptop or computer, I copy pasted the values here, same values. So with this, SPSS is a program. I just click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Frequencies, and then put this one, the column of the variable column, the statistics, mean, median, mode, and then standard deviation, variance, and range. And there. Click OK, and then an output table will come out. The first table is more on the frequency table. This one is the frequency table, sorry. And the first table is the value of the mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, and range. Now, if I will stack these windows, delete, interested. Okay. Oh, that's a new. And the output table, this output table, this one. Let's compare the values. Okay, the mean is 28.7, median is 7.5, mode is 27, standard deviation is 4.001, 389, 16.009, and then 12. So we got the same values, and that's it. That's how you solve for the mean, median, and mode, standard deviation, variance, and range using Excel and SPSS. No need to do a lot of columns or a lot of formulas. What's important in stat is the interpretation. Okay, and this program, the accuracy of your solution will be done by this program. So I hope you share it with your classmates.